Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how buying things keeps changing? We started with coins and paper money, then moved to plastic cards, just a tap or swipe and you're done. But now there's something even newer, digital currency. It's money that lives in your phone or computer. You can't hold it, but you can use it to buy real things. No wallet or bank card needed, just your phone. One special digital currency is PiCoin, designed to be simple for everyone. You earn PiCoin by using an app, almost like playing a game that rewards you with digital money. And it's not just pretend. People are starting to use PiCoin to buy everything from coffee to bikes. When you pay with PiCoin, it's as easy as sending a message. You use your phone to send digital coins to the seller. Fast and simple. The best part, PiCoin connects people worldwide. You can pay someone in another country without worrying about exchanging money. PiCoin is building a global community where everyone can shop and trade together. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. People everywhere are exploring this new digital world, discovering how easy and exciting it is to use a currency that belongs to everyone. It's a shift from old ways to a future where your digital efforts can turn into real things you use every day. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in. Digital currency is changing shopping forever. With just a tap, you're part of a global movement. The future of money is here, and it fits in your pocket. Let's explore what you can do with PiCoin. So, what can you actually buy with PiCoin? The answer: almost anything. From groceries like bread and fruit to gadgets, laptops and headphones, PiCoin is accepted in more and more places. Fashion? Absolutely. Unique clothes, shoes and accessories are available from creative sellers in the Pi community. Shopping with PiCoin supports small businesses and independent designers, making your purchases more meaningful. As more people and shops join, the list of things you can buy keeps growing. PiCoin is your digital wallet for a real physical world. How does digital money become something you can actually hold? It's all about clever technology. Each PiCoin has a unique digital code. When you buy something, you transfer that code to the seller using a secure system called the blockchain, a public record that can't be changed. Let's meet Sarah. She's collected Pi on her phone and visits a bakery that accepts PiCoin. She picks a chocolate cake, scans the baker's QR code, enters the price, and sends the PiCoin. Instantly, the baker receives the payment, and Sarah walks away with her cake. The baker can now use that PiCoin to buy supplies or save for new equipment. This is how PiCoin bridges the digital and real worlds. Your time in the app turns into real value. This process happens thousands of times a day for everything from books to haircuts. The value of PiCoin is created by people who agree to use it for goods and services, not by banks or governments. Every transaction strengthens the Pi community and proves its real-world value. Your participation helps build a cycle where everyone benefits. PiCoin is more than just digital money. It's a tool for real-life exchange. The more you use it, the more valuable it becomes. It's a new way to shop, powered by people like you. Digital coins, real rewards. That's the magic of PiCoin. Ready to see how it fits into daily life? PiCoin makes everyday shopping easy and accessible. Imagine picking up essentials, milk, soap, or a newspaper at your local shop and paying with a quick scan of your phone. No cash, no cards, just simple and fast. Meet Leo, a student who uses PiCoin to buy snacks and comics at a shop near his school. It's a fun, safe way to learn about digital money. In places where banks are far away, PiCoin lets people join the digital economy with just a smartphone. Farmers can sell vegetables for Pi and use it to pay for help or supplies. connecting communities in new ways. The Pi app is user-friendly, so anyone can use it. No tech skills required. As more shops accept Pi, you'll see the Pi logo everywhere, building a network of trust and trade. Your daily routine becomes more connected and community-focused. PiCoin brings digital convenience to your neighborhood. Shopping is now as easy as sending a text. The future of everyday payments is here. Are you ready to join in? Can you use PiCoin for big purchases? Absolutely. People are saving PiCoin for major buys, like new computers, scooters, or even vehicles. Meet Alex, a designer who bought a high-performance computer from an online store that accepts PiCoin. He turned his digital savings into a vital tool for his career. Across the Pi ecosystem, people are trading for high-value items, even using Pi as a down payment for cars or land. These transactions show real trust in PiCoin's value. Big purchases require trust, so the Pi community builds relationships and uses tools like escrow services for safety. The Pi platform is making large transactions more secure and accessible. Turning digital coins into life-changing purchases is now possible. PiCoin is moving from small buys to big investments. The future of big shopping is digital. What will you save your Pi for? Fashion shopping with PiCoin is a global adventure. Creative designers in the Pi community sell unique clothes, shoes, and accessories through online Pi marketplaces. Meet Maria, a student who sells her handmade bags to buyers worldwide, all paid for with PiCoin. When you shop with Pi, you support individual creators and connect with their stories. It's a personal, community-focused way to shop, far from big brands. The Pi network brings together styles from every culture, letting you discover fashion you won't find anywhere else. Shopping with PiCoin means building a wardrobe that's unique and meaningful. Every purchase supports a global community of creators. Express yourself and explore new trends with Pi. Fashion is now borderless thanks to digital currency. What will you discover next? The Pi ecosystem is more than just an app. It's a digital city powered by PiCoin. There are online marketplaces, games, social media, and services, all built by pioneers around the world. You can buy, sell, play, and connect using Pi. Developers are creating apps where you can earn or spend PiCoin, from puzzle games to booking local services. The goal, a complete digital economy where Pi is used for almost anything. The community builds this world together. Every new app or shop adds value. If you have an idea, you can help shape the Pi ecosystem. It's a massive team effort, growing and evolving every day. Being part of Pi means helping build something new from the ground up. The digital city is expanding. Come explore. What will you add to the Pi world? Being part of Pi now makes you a pioneer, an explorer in the new world of digital currency. You're helping test, shape, and show others how it works. As a pioneer, you're part of the story from the very beginning. In the future, when digital currencies are everywhere, you'll be able to say, "I helped build this." Your feedback and participation are building a new financial system. Every day brings new shops and services to discover. You might be the first in your town to buy coffee or pizza with Pi. It's a real-life adventure, turning shopping into a treasure hunt. The journey isn't perfect yet, but that's what makes it rewarding. You're joining a global movement for a fairer, more accessible digital future. Are you ready to be a pioneer? The future of shopping is digital, connected, and powered by people like you. PiCoin turns your digital efforts into real-world purchases, from groceries to big buys. The Pi ecosystem is a growing digital world built by its community. By joining Pi, You're helping create a more open, inclusive financial system. Your daily actions contribute to a global project. Imagine traveling anywhere, buying from anyone, and supporting creators worldwide, all with Pi. Small businesses can thrive in this new digital economy. The pioneers of today are building the path for tomorrow. It's easy to get started. Just join and explore. The digital future is here, and it's waiting for you. Let's build this new world together, one PiCoin at a time.